Up NEPA! Welcome to Citadel View Estate.
Yes. Now imagine that you can control the sunlight. Like you can give yourself light when you want it. And you can take it away when you don't need it. That's what is happening here in this estate. They control their own electricity because it is solar powered. This is I just completed project at the Trees Consulting. A 6 kilowatt solar powered and the 10 kVA solar system which is inside the unit. You know this. You can always trust us at the Trees Consulting for a good job well done. As you can see, solar panel. Find each unit of this.
You can see each unit everywhere.
And if you check the other roofs right there, you're going to see more solar panels. Same goes to every building in this estate. Every building. Each unit has a solar power system because solar power system is the most reliable power solution in the world.
Gbogbo ènìyàn ó kọ̀ Yeah, we've arrived at the estate, Citadel View Estate, and that's our boss there. Now let's go and check what's inside Citadel View Estate. Well, Citadel View Estate seems to be a nice estate. That's a welcome center and a fitness center. Just right here walking in. Yeah, let's go to the main business. We're right here. We have 12 pieces of 500 watt solar panels. There are 2 panels in each of this carton. We have 8 pieces of 220 amps tubular battery. We have a 10 kV inverter there, 80 amps charge controller, and all that is. So we are waiting to go inside, to be passed inside the estate. Now inside, we've uploaded the materials already. Where's the charge controller? Okay, sir. As you can see, this whole estate is powered by solar panels. Each unit has its own solar power system. You can see each unit everywhere. Yes, our work is close to completion. As you can see, the battery are all set, the inverter is all set, and our guys are all ready, set. Ogun got is set, be on Mogeto set. Just completed. You're welcome. This is Citadel View Estate, and this is one of the units. It's Citadel View Estate. Come, let's go. As you can see, we just completed a 10 kVA solar power system. So this house is fully solar powered, and you can see the lighting now. Everything is currently on. Come check the kitchen. Now let's go check upstairs. Follow me. Let's go. Yes, here we are. Here's the system we just installed. This is the 10 kV system powered by a 400 AH 48 volt battery. So these are our charge controller. Don't be surprised, we have 2 systems here. This comes with this unit. So this is a 3 kVA system. It's not powerful enough. So the Trees Consulting was invited to make sure the house runs on 247 power. I don't need to talk too much. Yes, you can see this not something small, it's very something big. We have 8 batteries here. You can see we have a double changeover 3-phase, and this is 2-phase. Switching over just to, because we have multiple power sources here. But then, trust me, the changeover is always going to be down because this stuff, 8 batteries, is going to be giving you 247 power supply. So forget about the other stuff.